holiday is too long. We have 2 months holiday. And I know your parents, moms, dads, and everybody out there is a bit worried on how they can keep you busy. Now, I'm excited to let the parents out there, the teachers, boys and girls who are out there, that you're going to have an exciting kids holiday camp. Kids holiday camp. It's a camp that will be a workshop and a seminar. Some of the activities that we'll be doing during the camp will be 1, public speaking. Can you all say public speaking?
Public speaking.
Wow. Public speaking is a session whereby you introduce yourself so that you can be confident, you can have your self-esteem can be high. It also builds on your character building. Very well. And we are going to start it. Can I start with Miles? You introduce yourself. You say your age, what you love to do, and you also let the boys and girls out there know that you're having fun. Okay? Well done. Stand up, Miles, and introduce yourself.
Hey everyone, I'm Miles, I'm 14 years old and I love drawing. I'd like to invite all the girls and boys out there to come and join me at the Sportsview Hotel for the camp. It's going to be fun. Welcome.
Wow, can you all clap hands for Miles? Yeah. Very well. Collins, do you want to do introduction? Oh, very well. Just come, you don't have to get scared. If you say your name, I have a goodie for you. I have a lollipop. Okay? Come, Collins. Can you clap hands for Collins? Yeah! Alright, Collins. Say your name. My name?
My name is Collins Ochieng.
How old are you?
6.
Very well. What do you love to do, Collins? Drawing. Would you love the boys and girls of your age to come at the camp?
Yes.
Very well. And tell them we're also going to do some swimming. Very well. Clap hands for Collins. Well done. Can we have Grace? Stand up and tell us your name, Grace.
My name is Grace Aking. I'm in class 4, going to class 5. I'm 10 years old. And my mother is planning a camp on the 15th of November. You're most welcome. It's going to be fun.
Well done. Clap hands for Grace. Very well. Can we have this beautiful girl here called Avril? Okay, Avril. Stand well. You're a good girl. You stand there and say your name. Okay, Avril?
Hello everyone. My name is Avril. And I love to draw. And I'm going swimming. I love the boys and girls to join me. I'm class 5. I'm going to 6. Thank you.
Wow, can you clap hands for Avril? Well done. Okay, so we are going to have a lot more fun. Okay, very well. So the reason why you have to introduce yourself is for you to be confident. Okay? You don't have to be shy, eating your finger. My name is Grace Akegi, and Avril. My name is Avril. You need to be confident in front of people because the theme of this Holiday Kids Camp workshop is to transform and inspire young lives to be leaders of tomorrow. Okay? Yes. So I know our camp will be exciting. It will be exciting. Wow. Can you all clap hands for yourselves? Wow. Oh, hi everyone. Kids, parents, moms, dads, and community at large. We are going to have an exciting, fun, adventurous kids holiday camp workshop stroke seminar happening spending this long holiday. It's going to take place at Sportsview Hotel, Kasarani Gardens. And we're also going to have another one at Midas Golden Academy for those parents who cannot come over to the Kasarani Gardens. And we invite all of you to join us as we have fun. We are going to do a lot of activities. We will have swimming competitions, talent, public speaking, as you saw some of the kids do. We will teach these children and teenagers a lot of life skills activities. We will do a lot of cooking, baking. We will have fun, a lot of games, both outdoors and indoors. For the younger ones who may not be able to do much, we will have things like artwork, creativity. We will also have bouncing castles, trampolines, horse riding, water sports, and many more. Wow! Don't miss the camp. And also remember, the last day of the camp, we will have an exciting picnic. We will take these children somewhere for an outdoor, whereby they will have the opportunity to do some social skills which they need as they grow, bonding, and many more. And who knows, we will also have a lot of cycling. I know a lot of you boys and girls love to cycle. We will allow you to come with your bicycles, you ride, as we have the fun and the exciting activities during that moment. So, kindly parents, we want you to sign for your children so that they can enroll and learn more. You will meet, they'll be taken through by our team, by our professional team who are well trained. And we guarantee you safety and security during this holiday camp. For more details on this, you can call 0726 493 205. 0726 493 205. The camp starts next week on the 14th of November and it ends on December the 15th. It ends on the December the 16th, sorry for that. Kindly parents, make sure you sign up for your children so that they don't miss this golden opportunity. We will take your children through. They will learn a lot. We will mentor them. We will motivate them. And this is something that will impact their lives forever and in the future. We welcome all of you to join us for this most exciting and adventurous moment. We invite children from the age of 3 years to 14 years and teenagers inclusive. Time, you can drop your children from 9 in the morning and they spend the whole day and you pick them up at 3:30 p.m. We will provide lunch, snacks, and all the activities will be inclusive on the package. You are most welcome. Thank you. God bless you all.